she had the trauma. So it's like, oh, well, it can be anything.
Okay.
I want to just make sure I get it
Have you ever had hearing tests or anything done before?
Yep, had twice, and they both
When's
passed
the last
flawlessly.
hearing test you had?
I think it was like last year, around like the beginning of the year.
Okay. So, the only thing with this doctor is you see Dr. Enrique Perez.
Mm-hmm.
That's his colleague. Usually, if you've seen that ENT before, he would want you to follow up with that ENT. Because they work within the same system, so he usually doesn't like to see patients of other ENT doctors within Mount Sinai, especially because he knows your history. I can ask him.
Yeah.
To see if we can
Just
get you on
because
the
I want to get a
schedule.
second opinion,
Right.
just to make sure.
Let me do this. He's in with patients. Do you mind if I call you regarding this, or do you want to wait?
You can call.
Can we call you? I don't want to have you sitting around for no reason. The 347-491-2368. That is good.